David Jason account. My Facebook account, it was www.facebook.com/David Jason Official. And my Twitter account was at David Official 01. And this is my recordings of PAYPHONE. Oh, not really a recording, but just a little clip of my PAYPHONE. Okay? I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it.